updated video tour of the shop. The outside is done. The gutters, the fascia, soffit, siding. There's our house. Here's the shop. And the windows are all in. That's where the air conditioning unit is gonna go later. This is pretty exciting. I'll show you the inside here. Okay, so it's looking great. Here's the entry. Let's go inside and check this out. Okay, here we go. Warm in here. It smells kind of muddy because they've been putting mud all over the walls. There's the heating and AC. There's the cold air intake. There's 2 heat ducts. All right, 65 degrees in here. Bathroom. This is looking really good. Okay, this is good. Let's take a look over here. Let's see what's going on. Yeah. Those are all done. Oh, they finished around this door. We're not going to put a door here. We're going to leave it open. So that is great. Oh, this looks good. This looks good. Okay, then let's take a look. We're going to put a door here, but no door there. So you can see it's sheetrocked there, but it's not sheetrocked there. All right. Now let's come on up here and see what we got upstairs. All right. Fantastic. Little closet there. This is the mechanical room. There is going to be a door here. And there's eventually going to be a door here. That tiny little closet. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. This nice big dormer where my office is going to go, probably. Okay, that's pretty much a tour of the current status of things. This coming week, they're going to put texture on all the walls. And then we're going to paint. Yeah, we're going to prime, paint, lay tile in there on the floor. And then finish electrical, plumbing. And then move in. Oh yeah, trim. Prime, paint, trim around the windows and doors. And then move in. Booyah! I'm pretty excited. Have a great day, guys. That's the tour of the piano shop. Talk to you later.